be cool. Today, we want to tell you about something. This is our first video, so we're going to tell you about a new segment. Dare us, dare us, dare us, dare us, do it. All you have to do is comment or email this person. Writing down death. If you don't make it, we get arrested. We get arrested, we get a criminal record. We get a criminal record, we can't get a job. We can't get a job, we have no money. We have no money, we can't buy a house. Therefore, we're homeless. If we're homeless, we can't afford food. Can't afford food, we starve. If we starve, we die. Pretty.